Hello everyone. So in this video we'll see stocks for tomorrow 10th June, and the first stock is UTI AMC, which we'll buy above 780. Second stock is Jindal Poly, which we will buy above 905, and this is also kind of making a flag pattern. It has given a sharp up move and then it is consolidating. So if we can buy this for swing also if it closes above 905. You can wait for 15-minute candle or 5-minute candle and see. And so generally what I do, I buy in, if I buy in intraday, so I will book some quantity and I leave some quantity with stop loss. So this is how I carry swing stocks. So suppose I bought 100 quantity, and if it is giving me profit, I will book at least 70 quantity same day, and then I will carry 30 quantity. And if it hit my SL in intraday, I exit completely. Then we have Cosmofilm. Cosmofilm we can buy above 845. This was in kind of a range, and this is also making a kind of pennant, a sharp up move. So this we can buy above 845, and we have to keep stop loss around 870. Then we have solar industry. This can be risky, but with stop loss we can buy any stock. So we'll buy above 1645, we'll keep stop loss around 1630. Then we have Bimita Labs. Bimita Labs we have to buy above 272. Then we have Boltemp, which has given a very good breakout today. This we can buy above 1440, and ATH resistance will be 1480, 1470 to 1480. This is where we'll book profit if it reaches there, and if it crosses this level it can rally more. So what we can do is, if it reaches there, we'll book at least 50 to 70% quantity, and rest we will trail with cost. Then we have Waterways. Waterways will buy above 130. Then we have Greenply. Greenply we have to buy above 225, and if you want to take risk, then you can buy above this candle high, which is 218.60. So basically we can buy above 220 also. Then we have Skipper. Skipper has given very good breakout. If I zoom out, you can see full chart. It has given very good breakout. Now we can buy above today's high, which is 80. This we can buy in intraday also, and we can carry for swing as well. Then we have consigner, which we have to keep in radar. We'll buy above 610. For shorting, we have Aro Pharma, which will short below 948, and MMM, this Mahindra and Mahindra. This will short below 790 if it breaks. Otherwise, you'll leave it. And for positional, we have GPIL, which has given good breakout, and now it is falling. If it takes support here, we can buy this. And how we'll identify this is taking support, and we'll change chart into 15 minutes, and then we'll see if it is taking support in this region or this area. So like it has in the last, it has made one bullish hammer. Actually, if you are buying here, you have to keep stop loss here. So but tomorrow we have to see where it is opening and how it behaves in this region. If you find some bullish candle in 15 minutes, you can buy. So that will confirm like the stock is supporting breakout level. Same goes with Heritage Food. This also has given breakout of this 410 level, and now it fallen, but the volume is very less, so it may take support. Then we have Godfair Flip. This you can add, but stop loss will remain same, 880. This is making a kind of inverted head and shoulder, and this is taking support also. Today it made a high of 979, but it fell in the end. And other important thing is always keep stop loss in system in cash stocks. Even if you don't want, at least keep something. Suppose you bought some stock at 900, at least keep stop loss around 850. Even though if your stop loss you want to exit at 880 or something, but for safe side keep something in the system, whether you really want to exit at that price or not, because in any adverse condition if stock is falling badly, that stop loss can save you. And yes, so tomorrow is our expiry also, weekly, so trade safely. That's it. Thank you everyone.